Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet tissue box cover designs model knitted with wool. Let's start. A crochet tissue box cover is a decorative handmade cover designed to slip over a standard tissue box, adding a personalized and often cozy touch to the room. These covers are typically made using various crochet stitches and patterns, adding for endless customization and charms of colors, textures, and designs. Crochet tissue box cover can range from simple and elegant designs to more elaborate and whimsical ones, making them a versatile accessory for different home decor styles. They are especially popular in homes decorated in rustic, vintage, or farmhouse styles, or handcrafted items are often favored. Here are some tips for creating a crochet tissue box cover. First, measure the tissue box. Start by measuring the dimension of the tissue box height, width, and length. This will ensure your cover fits snugly. Number 2. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that complements your home decor. Cotton yarn works well for a clean and travel finish, while acrylic or wool can add warmth and texture. Simple stitches for beginners. If you are new to crochet, stick with basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet. These stitches create a solid, sturdy fabric that works well for covering the box. Number 4. Incorporate texture. For a more interesting design, try adding texture with stitches like the bubble stitch, popcorn stitch, or even a ribbed effect using front post and back post double crochets. Number 5. Add decorative elements. Consider embellishing the cover with crochet flowers, leaves, or buttons. You can also incorporate stripes or color blocks to match your decor. Number 6. Create a flap for easy access. Design the top of the cover with a flap or an opening that allows easy access to the tissues. You can make a simple slit or a more intricate opening with a button closer. Number 7. Seasonal themes. Create multiple covers to switch out for different seasons or holidays. For example, a bright floral cover for spring or a cozy cable knit pattern for winter. Number 8. Scarf fit. Ensure the bottom of the cover has a snug fit by crocheting a tight border or using an elastic band sewing into the bottom edge. Number 9. Experiment with shapes. While most tissue boxes are rectangular, you can also create covers for a cup-shaped box or or even designs a cover that mimics another object, like a house or an animal. Number 10. Finishing touches. Lock your finished bit. If needed, to ensure its hold shape well. Oil in all ends carefully to keep the inside neat and tidy. These tips will help you create a functional and stylish crochet tissue box cover that enhances your home decor. Here are some additional tips for making a crochet tissue box cover. Use a foundation chain. Start with a foundation chain that matches the length of the tissue box. This will give you a more subtle base and ensure your cover has the right dimensions from the start. Customize the opening. Consider different shapes for the tissue opening on top. You can create a simple slit, a circular hole, or even a decorative scalloped edge for a more finished look. Add reinforcement. If you want the cover to stand up firmly, consider reinforcing it with lining. You can use fabric or plastic canvas inside the cover to help maintain its shape. Incorporate color work. Try color work techniques like tapestry crochet or intarsia to create patterns or images on the cover. This could include geometric shapes, floral motifs, or even personalized in details. Use a stitch pattern that matches your home style. For a modern look, use clean lines and simple stitch patterns like the moss stitch or the linen stitch. For a more vintage or farmhouse feel, try using black or granny square motifs. Adjustable sizing. If you want the cover to fit multiple sizes of tissue boxes, consider adding a drawstring at the bottom or creating a cover with stress using ribbing or elastic stitches. These tips will help you enhance your crochet tissue box cover project, making it both functional and a beautiful addition to your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!